Hey, welcome back, Dirty Garage Mods. I am Daniel, your host of this channel. I want to say thank you to 1,255 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. Also want to tell you real fast before it gets away from me, I do have merch available, shirts and cups right now, I believe. I even got the old school G6 diagram shirts. They're still available on my website. It'd be bonfire.com/Dirty Garage Mods -merch. Link will be down below in the description, so check that out. All money that is raised for that goes to help build the racing lawnmower that I talked about in a couple shorts and my previous video. I will also link that previous video, probably somewhere up here, or if not there, be in the description or at the end of this video. So, but anyways, yeah. So, anyways, I just want to give you guys an update of what's been going on, what I plan on doing, and all that good stuff. So I'll go ahead and kick over to that. All right, so this is my 2012 Chrysler Town Country. So what's going on is next week here I'm waiting on my wheel hubs to come in, but I replaced the driver's side wheel hub last year, but it's finicky. It's got some issues. It's just got a lot of miles on it, so I do a lot of driving, so that's one reason why. But I ordered a set because the right front wheel hub is bad, so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and replace both sides and be done with it. And I'll also do a how-to video out of it. So the how-to video will be of this side, which is the passenger side. So stay tuned for that if you guys are interested in watching that. And also future videos, I'll be doing drilled and slotted rotors. That's coming up, so I'll do a video about that. And also I'll be doing rear wheel hubs on this as well. So those are kind of a process to do. Actually, I've done a couple of them already on another van. They're quite different. So, but yeah. Anyways, I just want to give everybody a quick update and let y'all know what's going on. The mower stuff is still pieces. Colorado, still in pieces. Just lost interest in taking care of it. I'm just paying for it. It's just a giant paperweight. But I do need to start doing something with it soon. So, anyways, if you like my content, please hit that like button. Click that bell for notifications. Comment, subscribe, share my content. That really helps get it out there. Don't forget to check out the merchandise link. That'll be down below in the description. And yeah, so anyways, hope everybody has a wonderful Saturday. See you guys in the next one.